wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best manual tire changes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The Powerlift PTC does a good job of removing rubber of all sizes from their rims, including those on small lawn equipment, but also large trucks. It requires quite a bit of physical effort though, so make sure you're able-bodied and willing to get your hands dirty. It's a rugged steel construction, however note that the base must be secured to the floor, and it requires lots of lube. At number 7, while most larger models require ample garage space and sometimes complicated installations, the Abyan 3-piece toolset is compact enough to be stowed away in a corner and brought out only when needed. The kit includes a demounting tool, a pry bar, and an insert hook. It's made of powder-coated carbon steel with nylon rollers to protect the bead and rim, but large tires may need a separate block. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Lawn equipment and trailer wheels are often too small for standard changes, but not for the Northern Industrial Portable. This mini model is designed to service anything with 4 to 12-inch rims and is compact enough to be stored in your vehicle for emergencies. This one's good for mowers and tractors and can be used with a bench vise. However, it is harder to mount than dismount. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for manual tire changes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Allsteel Lehren TC1 makes quick work of flat or old worn-out tires, thanks to a long pry bar and hand-operated bead breaker attached to the frame. The base bolts to the floor, giving it a rock-solid feel, but installing it yourself can be a hassle. It weighs 42 pounds and comes in a dull grey color. It accepts 8-inch to light truck wheels. Halfway up our list at number 4. Dirt and adventure bike owners looking for a painless way to swap an old set of knobbies for a new one need the Rabaconda motorcycle. The stand's innovative design allows for faster changes than almost any other on the market, and also breaks down for easy transport. It includes a Condor fabric carrying bag and is great for the racetrack. However, it is a little expensive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Though they require a bit more effort, sometimes nothing gets the job done as well as some good old tire irons. The dr.roc toolkit includes 3 11-inch spoon levers and 2 rim protectors for servicing everything from motorcycles and bicycles to ATVs and trailers. 14-inch levers are also available, and they're backed by a satisfaction guarantee. It's good value for the price. At number 2, in the right hands, the stkusa tubeless can be used to dismount wheels in as little as 8 seconds and remount them in 20. Both bars feature contoured designs that help maximize the leverage you can get over the unit and minimize the amount of work you have to put in. There's no need for heavy lifting here, and they come with a rubber-padded insert hook. It'll work with radius and bias ply tires. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you're a DIY handy person or even a professional mechanic, the Mow Fallen Stand deserves a spot in your garage. Not only does it help you replace flats and old rubber, but it will also allow you to repair damaged tubes with its spreader function. It features an attached work lamp and an adjustable table angle. It also comes in blue. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for manual tire changes, or simply click beneath this video.